Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in academic opportunities with TIAA, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in academic opportunities with TIAA can be a strategic way to enhance your educational pursuits. The first step is to visit the TIAA website. Navigate to the section dedicated to education savings and investments. Here, you'll find various options tailored for academic opportunities. Take the time to review the details of each investment option available. Identify which educational goals resonate with your aspirations. Next, consider the savings programs that TIAA offers, such as 529 plans. Understand how these plans can help fund tuition and other educational expenses. Ensure you're aware of the tax benefits associated with these programs. Once you've chosen a plan, it's time to gather necessary documentation. Prepare personal and financial information that may be required for the application. Follow the prompts on the TIAA website to begin the application process. As you complete your application, double-check your entries for accuracy. After submitting your application, monitor your email for confirmation. This confirmation will provide details about your account and investment options. Once your account is active, log in to explore the investment choices available. Consider diversifying your portfolio based on your academic goals and timeline. Stay informed about market trends that may influence your investments. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your evolving goals. If needed, consult with a TIAA financial advisor for personalized guidance. Remember to take advantage of any educational resources provided by TIAA. These resources can enhance your understanding of investment strategies and opportunities. Finally, make a commitment to revisit your investments periodically. This will help you stay on track with your academic financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.